Happy Wednesday, middle of week 2, everybody. Want to thank you for your reflections and discussions for both Module 1 and Module 2. As you have found out now, and it's not even the end of week 2, this is, we're drinking from a fire hose here. There's a lot to take in, a lot to process, a lot to do. And it's a full year in a summer. Woo! So, thank you in advance for your help there and your communication with me and your videos and your problem solving. Just want to share with you the fact that if this were a brick and mortar classroom, you'd be doing a proof every couple of days, and I'd be giving you as good a feedback as I can. Through Canvas is the best way that I can do that, the only way that I can do that now. So when I give stuff back to you, it will sometimes have a video attached to it, or maybe I'll give you specific comments on, hey, line 3 should have been vertical angles, not the alternate interior angles. Those little pieces that may lose you about half a point, it's not a big deal, but whenever you're in the next math class, that attention to detail is what makes geometry helps make you a better math person. So yes, you'll get through a geometry course in a summer, but pay attention to those details. I'd like to have you think about this little, actually not think about, but let's do this little experiment. Cut out a triangle, 3-sided triangle. Pause me for a moment and you take one out. Just can be small, even like Post-it note size. Okay, you got it? Now, label each of those angles just inside with a pencil or pen, angle 1, 2, and 3, or A, B, and C. And then, with your fingers, tear off each of those angles, kind of rough edges. So enough, tear off angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3, so that you have now a triangle that used to have points, but now it has 3 angles. Put the body of the triangle aside, and now put those 3 angles together. The points all pointing toward each other, in a single central location. All the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So there's a little visual for you on how to take a triangle and see that the internal angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. If you let me know what types of videos you want to see so that I can give you, that's a good answer key too. It also shares my thinking on problems. Let me know. I try to put them up as soon as they're due so that you don't have to wait too long to see them. And pretty soon you're going to, if you haven't already, you'll learn shortcuts for congruence, SSS, SAS, ASA. AAA is not one, wonder why. And there's going to be, find out one that ASS is not a congruent shortcut. Made a video a long time ago that shares with you why that is not a shortcut. There's a dead squirrel here. We're moving along, Kazoo. Okay. Hopefully that's a little pep talk there. You're doing great. Reach out to me. Reach out to others in Twist. You know, you might be at a place where just a few miles away or just a click away is somebody else who's working on something at the same time as you. Don't be an armadillo. Reach out to people. Use me and all the other teachers on office hours. And this semester will go a lot faster and it'll be much easier on you. Take care.